Remove the 7 knobs from the unit. Open the oven door. Locate the 3 screws under the front panel and remove them. Carefully remove the front panel. It's still connected to the unit, so don't remove it all the way. Use a drill or screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding in the rings. On the other side is a plate that holds the rings in place. It'll either be on top of the insulation or underneath it. For the middle ring there is no plate. The ring mounts directly to a dial. Follow the sequence to properly secure the rings and the insulation. Use a screwdriver to secure the rings to a metal plates. Each ring gets 2 screws. Slide the front panel back onto the unit. You might need to slightly push up the corners to get the panel back on. Secure the front panel with the 3 screws from earlier. Tighten up both screws on each ring and make sure the knobs are centered. Test each knob and make sure they spin freely. Close the oven door. Use the provided hex key to remove the 2 screws on each side of the handle. Remove the old handle and replace it with the new one. Secure the new handle to the unit with the provided hex key.